Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys 3 super lazy and easy food recipes that you can make in under 10 minutes. These are aesthetically pleasing and they will 100% engage your audience and inspire them. Honestly, when I say simple and lazy, I mean it. One is just all about spreading something onto bread and adding some blueberries. This is what I mean by lazy. You will create such a beautiful Instagram feed or even just a photo collection. And I will also give you some tips on the background and props used for professional photography. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so firstly you want to keep in mind the area you are going to be taking your pictures in and the props used. In terms of the background, I'm a huge fan of marble. Marble just adds such a luxurious touch to the picture. In this case, we already have a marble table at home, so it works out. But if you're really keen on marble, you can just buy some tiles for this. So for the first recipe, all you need is blueberries, coconut yogurt, and bread. I like the shape of this bread because it makes the final photo look super lovely, but you can choose any shape of bread. So that is all needed for this recipe. This may actually sound like a weird choice, but not only is it lovely to look at, but the creamy and fluffy texture of the coconut yogurt works well with the bread. And I usually love to toast the bread too for that crunchy kick. So we are just spreading some coconut yogurt on the bread. And I usually like my yogurt quite thick. That's actually another hack, to buy a thicker one, as it's then easier to spread. But this will also help in making it look neat towards the end when you try to clean it up for that beautiful picture. See, this video is all about making it easy for you. This is how it's supposed to look like, and I just absolutely love the color combination, and this is so simple to make yet looks so beautiful. So now we'll move on to the protein energy balls. And I absolutely love using this tray because it has such beautiful flowers on them. And all we're going to be needing is some oats, peanut butter, and some honey. So you will need about 1.5 to 2 cups of oats, 5 tablespoons of peanut butter or any nut butter you may have, 3 tablespoons of honey. And all you have to do is mix all the ingredients together in a bowl, as I'm doing right now. And once you have a mixture like this, you form about golf ball sized balls. Then we have the chia seed pudding. Chia pudding is a great healthy snack. It's loaded with omega-3s, fiber and protein. It's actually perfect as it's vegan, gluten-free, and it can be used for paleo and keto diets. So I have decided to use this drinking glass for the purpose of this video, as it's really lovely to look at and it's so shiny. Making chia pudding is so simple. So I had these prepared a day before. And what I did is I firstly stirred together my chia seeds and milk in a bowl. And I usually prefer my chia seed pudding to be quite thick. So I would recommend 4 tablespoons to 1 cup of liquid. But you can also just start with 3 tablespoons. For it to be evenly distributed, after you've stirred, allow it to sit for about 5 minutes and then stir again. This ensures that there are no clumps in there. You then just simply cover your cup and allow it to set for about 4 hours in the fridge or overnight. And if you do take it out the fridge and you think it's still quite liquidy, you simply add a bit more seeds, so about 1 tablespoon. So you stir it again and then you refrigerate it for another 30 minutes, and that should really do the trick. And great thing about this dessert is that it stays fresh in the fridge for up to 5 days, so you can definitely plan ahead your meals. And you will see that it has a pudding texture. I just mix some dates, mixed nuts, almonds, cashews, about 5 tablespoons of nuts. You just mix it and then you add 1 layer of that, followed by a layer of raspberries and a layer of blueberries. Or you can simply just mix the fruits however you think it may look good and presentable. So that's it for this video, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like this video and comment. I make lots of healthy, quick and simple recipes and show you lots of different life hacks and general lifestyle videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything out in the future. These videos are especially great for not only lazy people but also people who are generally just very busy in their everyday lives but still need to eat very healthy.